today we're going to be starting to get my car ready for JDM Combe for about 7 days. We'll put the body kit back on, do some patchwork on the front, clean the wheels, get out for Friday so we can give it a complete wash. But yeah, let's just crack on with it. Alright, so clean two of the wheels. You can see here, got these two cleaning up perfect, but they're going to be re-cleaned when we clean the rest of the car. Still got these two to do. As you can see, tons of brake dust. This is what I'm trying to get off while they're off the car. Still got the body kit to put back on. There's a couple of screws I need to sort on that. Managed to get this all nice patched up and painted, so that's all looking good. Need to give the engine bay a clean out, put the intercooler back on and the intercooler pipe in. But yeah, still got a bit to do. Hopefully we can get it all done. Still got about a few days left, about 5 days, and we can get it out and give it a proper wash. So yeah. Okay, so making progress, cleaned all the wheels, got the intercooler back on. You can see here, it's all back on, all fitting nicely, pretty sturdy as well with the welds I've done. One of the wings, well, both of the wings are back on now. This side, the bottom bit was attached by a self-tapper. I can't get it back in, so it just popped out. But I've got some spare body kit bolts because I need to redo a couple of ones to the side steps anyway, so I'm going to rivet them back in and do it all properly. Yeah, so still got a few more bits to do. Don't know how much more I'm going to do today. Come back over the week and do it. But yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so we're near enough finished, almost. Still trying to put the body kit on, but I've run into an issue with these Rivnuts I have. I was hoping they were the self-tightening ones, but they're not. So I'm going to have to buy a Rivnut gun to get those in. And also, slight issue, it's been raining a lot here, and yeah, we've got a little bit of a build-up of water coming in, but hopefully that will drain away at some point. Yeah, need to keep an eye on that. But yeah, so I think I've pretty much done everything I can at the moment. Obviously got to drill out those other two holes, but I can't really do much without the Rivnut gun. I can try and give the engine bay a clean out, but yeah, we'll see how it gets on. Okay, so the car is almost there. Well, I actually mean almost there. It's on the ground now. As you can see, got wheels on the ground. But after having a quick once over, I've noticed that passenger side is a little bit higher up in terms of the coils. But the gap here, got quite a big gap there. If you're on the other side, you see. It's not as big of a gap, there's a little bit less. It's not as noticeable, it's more noticeable on the back. But I'm hoping there's just one where it's been up in the air for a few days or weeks, or I can't remember how long it's been up. But yeah, hopefully it settles down, drops down a little bit. If not, I'll be jacking it back up. So because of that, side skirts aren't good on just yet. But yeah, so pretty much there. Still a couple more days till we need to get out to clean it. So I'm happy with the time. But yeah, so see you in a bit. Okay, so pretty much there. Side skirts are on. You can see here, this side has a slight issue where if your passenger door pops off, well, not completely, this inner bit pops out, so I'm sure the passenger door closed now. This side's still slightly higher than the other side. Not really too sure what's going on there. I've tried adjusting it, but the rear's already maxed out, so I don't really know. So I'll have a look into that. But yeah, we're pretty much there. Got a couple of bits I need to sort out on the interior, but I'm not going to record that. So hopefully next step will be me getting it out to take it to car wash or get it washed or whatever I plan doing. So see you in a sec. Okay, so upon taking the 13 out, the radiator has decided to not want to hold any fluid anymore. And so we're taking it out. It's hot. Yeah, it's still hot. Taking it out, hopefully sourcing another one. Still working on that one. It's fine, it's only got to go to Combe tomorrow, so not that bad, is it, right?
It's number 4.
Oh. Yeah, so didn't make it in the end. Couldn't find the radiator, unfortunately. So the car is sat here, no radiator in it. This is the one that went. The whole bottom of it was just leaking. Couldn't find a hole, so couldn't even patch it up. But yeah, so a bit frustrating, but these things happen. But getting a new one on order, and also got a box of goodies to go on soon anyway. Just fixing a few things on the interior, so you'll see that video soon. But yeah, so annoyingly, I said didn't make it, didn't get to go out on track, but there's always next time. At least it didn't happen out on track and didn't blow the motor, so yeah, just trying to look at the positive here. Yeah, so didn't get much footage of us take out the radiator or it leaking or anything, because it's kind of a bit stressful, because it literally happened. As you saw, we got the car out and then we noticed it was just pissing out the bottom. So yeah, but that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe, I guess. But see you in the next one.